Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Expedia's confirmation email not received. First, go ahead and open your Gmail app and then check your inbox carefully, including your spam or your junk folder, as the email may be filtered there. Next, make sure that you've entered the correct email address while making the booking. Then, wait a few minutes as confirmation emails can sometimes be delayed. You can also log into your Expedia account and check the trip sections to confirm your booking status. Now, if you still cannot find the email, try resending the confirmation from the app or website if the option is available. If the issue proceeds, contact the Expedia support for assistance. That's how you fix the Expedia confirmation email not received. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.